How to publish your story on Wattpad. Let's get started. Launch your Wattpad. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to this one icon given at the bottom, pen kind of icon. Once you're in this page, you'll see this option of Create New Story. Click on it. Now, from here, you are able to create your story. First, add a cover. So, click on this plus icon. Choose the cover photo for your story. Now, give a story title. Give a description of your story. After you do that, click on Next. Click on Got It. Part 1. You are able to add pictures. Likewise, give titles and start writing your story. Here you are able to add pictures. Likewise, customize other settings. And once you are done, you can click on Publish. Now you have to customize these. First, select the category. Then select the tags. Then select the story language. You can toggle on for this option mature if your story is appropriate for all audience. Then check in for this option. Now you can click on publish. And just with that, your story will be published. So this way you are able to publish your story on Wattpad. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.